Welcome back to Spinning the Past. Today I'm going to show you how to hackle. Last time I showed you how we break to get some of the outer chaff off of this. You can see it's still there, but I really still needs to go through some combs. These are called hackles. This is coarser, means they're thicker and they're a little bit further apart, and these are the fine ones. If you use any combs for woolen prep for worsted, it's kind of a similar process. I'm trying to get out the junk, the shorter stuff, and the chaff of this, so I have a nice, beautiful, long line flax that I can put on my distaff. And I'm going to show you there's a lot of waste that comes of this. So here's the waste that came for the last batch that I did. Although there's a lot of waste, nothing goes to waste. So I could take this and go on some hand cards or hand combs, and then I could pull out, this would be called tow. This is kind of stuff that they use for their muskets. This is really good tinder if you need to start a fire real quick. It just lights up very quickly. But again, just because there's waste doesn't mean everything goes to waste. So don't throw things away just because they look like a little rat's nest there. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to hold this. Normally I would have here some clamps, but I just didn't get them out at the moment for this demo. I will when I have a lot more to do. So I'm just going to put it through and it was just combing it. You don't have to be gentle with this. And I am wearing a glove just for protection. I do have my tetanus, but sometimes I get a little clumsy. So I'm just going to wear this, because especially when I get to the center, then I have to be get kind of close to those tines, and they're very, very sharp. This is not a children's toy. Okay. So let me just say, so that's the waste I have for this. Now I want to show you going through the finer. So I went through the larger ones. Now I'm going to go for the finer ones, and I'm going to show you. It's just like a comb. And there's still going to be waste here. Some of this I can still salvage. But I'm looking for the longest, smoothest, cleanest fibers. So there's going to be stuff that's going to be left in here. So I've got maybe just a couple more passes here. Got some stuff in the middle. You might have to talk to it a little bit. So this is kind of what we're going for. This beautiful flax here. And I just have a little bit more to do, but I just kind of want to show you today what flax hackles look like, and what you're trying to achieve when you hackle your flax. So you can see all the waste I have here, the waste here, the waste here. There's a fair amount. I might be able to go through it again. There's still a lot of chaff in there. It may just become mulch. It may, if I had the tow, I could cut that up or something like that, and I could blend it in with wool, because it doesn't need to be perfect like long line flax does. This is going to be for bobbin lace, so I need this to be as smooth and as perfect as possible before it goes on the distaff. So that's it today for Spinning the Past, and I'll see you next time.